to find at the party store one of these giant balloons, okay? Sometimes they call them cloud bursters. So a giant balloon.
Okay.
We have a blower here to blow it up, but you could use like a shop vac if you reverse it. That's great. And what you want to do is you want to be able to open it up and put as much confetti down inside as possible. So go ahead.
Okay.
Just kind of put confetti inside. There
Load
you
that
go.
up.
Just really load it up. Got it? Okay, so now here's what's gonna happen. This goes over the top like this,
Okay.
and we're gonna fill it up.
You ready?
Yep, here we go. That's it. That's it. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that? This just spells disaster. All right, so now look at this.
Keep that thing away from me.
As they say on the show, anything worth doing is worth overdoing. Ready, Higgs, you get the honors.
All right.